The surefire way to find acid reflux success. You have to take control of your life. There is no one out there who can help you if you can't help yourself. This means you have to become educated on your condition and how to make it tolerable. Start with this video and all of its tips on controlling acid reflux. Never skip a meal if you have acid reflux disease. When you skip even one meal, you are not putting anything into your stomach, allowing acid to intensify. If you do not feel hungry during a meal time, you could always eat a little something, like a banana or apple. Exercise is a good way to stop acid reflux. Through exercise, you can lose weight, which will put less pressure on the stomach and reduce the severity and occurrence of heartburn and acid reflux. The key is to use moderate, low-impact exercises. Intense exercises can cause reflux through excessive agitation. Try to avoid drinking sports drinks and eating food before exercising, as these can cause reflux as well. Avoid eating spicy foods, including those with hot peppers in them. These foods can lead to painful acid reflux after eating, so not eating them can easily remedy your discomfort. Instead, focus on spices which don't lead to pain, such as cinnamon or herbs. They taste great and leave you comfortable post-meal. Stay upright after eating. It can be quite helpful if you stay sitting or standing for at least 2 to 3 hours after you eat a meal. This will give your food time to digest and help keep your acid reflux symptoms down to a minimum. If you must lie down, do your best to elevate your body above your waist. Now that you have this knowledge, you must use it. You have to start changing your lifestyle to help you cope with your condition. You need to take life by the reins and guide it where you want it to go. What you must do most of all is start the changes today. I cured my acid reflux. A lifelong sufferer discovers a powerful secret to heartburn freedom. To learn how I did it, visit heartburnhacks.com. Would you like to eliminate heartburn pain within 2 days? Doctors and drug companies hate this. Visit heartburnhacks.com. Would you like to learn about the only, clinically proven, step-by-step, acid reflux system? Visit heartburnhacks.com to learn this, and so much more. Link in the description.